draw a surprise drawing using the 9 types of lines. So first, let's go over what they are. First is a straight line, then a curvy line. Next is a zigzag line. It goes up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Then we have a thick line, which I make by putting 2 lines together and coloring it in. A thick line is a really big, wide line. Now the opposite of a thick line is a thin line, where we use just the tip of the marker to make a nice thin line. Notice how this line is a little thicker than this one, because I just used the point of my marker. Next we have a short line. Make some short lines. Then I'm gonna do a big long line. Long, long, long. Next, I'm going to do a dashed line, and this is like the lines in a street. It's a lot of short lines in a row. And finally, the last one I'm going to do off to the side because I ran out of space is a looped line. So we go loop-de-loop, loop-de-loop, just like that. Do it again here. Loop-de-loop, just like that. And these are the 9 types of lines that we're going to be using to make our surprise drawing next. The first line we're going to draw is a straight line across the middle of the paper, but don't go all the way to the edges. Then we're going to draw a curved line. Make it nice and curved. Notice I didn't go all the way quite to these edges. Then we're going to do a long line that goes around and comes back. Then we'll do a short little line that curves up and another short little line that curves to it. Next, we're gonna do a thick line, and this thick line I'm gonna make by doing 2 lines, and I'm gonna connect them so it's one really thick shape. And I'm gonna do another one over here, so 2 lines, and I'm gonna connect them with a thick line, okay? Then I'm gonna do a thin, short little line over here. Next, I'm going to do a zigzag. Zigzag goes up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Can you guess what we're making yet? Next, I'm going to do a closed line. What shape does that look like? And another closed line, which is a circle. I'm gonna next do a dashed line, which is like the lines in the middle of the road. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And the last one I'm going to do is a looped line. So loop-de-loop, loop-de-loop. These are going to be like spots. All right, and we've created a stegosaurus. The next step is to outline with Sharpie on all my pencil lines, then we get to color it in. Okay, now that I've finished outlining, I noticed that I missed a few spots, so I'm just going to go back and erase any pencil lines where I missed when I was tracing. Now that I've finished tracing all of my pencil lines with black Sharpie and I've done my erasing, I'm ready to start with markers. So I can pick any sort of fun colors that I want. That I decided to skip every other one and do a pattern. You can try that too. As I've been coloring, I've been trying to color all in the same direction. This makes them look a little bit more even and neat. Our stegosaurus made out of the 9 types of lines. Now that we've finished our drawing, let's take a quick mini field trip to the Museum of Natural History in Mesa.